I'm gonna show you how to replace your old keyless entry garage door opener. So first you wanna take the bottom part off, remove the battery. You can take it off or just move it to the side. I'm gonna take this one off. And then what you wanna do is get your Phillips head screwdriver and take this bottom screw out. Once you take this screw out, you wanna grab your keyless entry and push it up. Push it up and then slide it out. As you can see on the back how it's got the little hook on it. So you just push it up and slide it out. Then you just get your replacement. I recommend getting the same one, same type. So you won't have to drill no more holes. So you just put it up there in that slot and push it down. And it locks itself. And just put the screw back in. And you're done. That's it. Now the only thing you have to do is just program it. And to program it, just look in the drop down or look in the description below. I've got a video on how to program it. So once you put the cover back on, you're good. And the programming, it can be kind of difficult, but like I said, just look in the drop down or look at this end screen, click on this video right here to the left, and it'll take you to how to program. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.